This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Shue. You're watching the 4 p.m. stock market update right here on TFNN. Hope you all had a fantastic day. Take a look at the SPY, trading up 0.47%, but a little bit lower from when we started the show. You're at a 562, at least at the high today, that kind of double top right there. We're finishing off slightly lower from that point. Again, you didn't have an immense amount of volume today relative to the past, handful of sessions. So we'll see if we can kind of hold something here, if we just get a consolidation or move back down. The composite trading up 1.22% at 17,648. Dow Jones Industrial trading off 0.2% at 41,350. The Russell Futures trading up 0.12% at $2,027. Trading at 103.58. Let's see what else. Crude oil up 2.17%. What I really want to look at, just again, is Tesla. You're trading with some good movement. I mean, at least for the day. You're up 7.72%. That's a nice gap up today. This is actually okay volume for the equity. So we'll see what happens here. I still like TSLQ for it. Of course, I spoke about that probably ad nauseum during the show. Lunar trading up 15.51%. I believe they purchased, if I remember correctly, it was either that or Rocket Labs. But they did purchase, let's see if that's probably Rocket Labs. These satellite stocks are so interesting to me. I like the build out. I believe it was Lucid. They purchased something for communications, which will be kind of cool. Excuse me, Lucid. Lunar, Intuitive Machines. So we'll see what happens. Of course, you had a major gap down. They kind of failed in one of their launches. You have some wide disparity in price targets for that. This is one that I think, at least for me, is a little bit difficult to value. These kind of satellite companies. Let me see. I want to take a look at that European satellite company that's building out what they're calling the European Eutelsat. Trading up 0.52%. This is held pretty well from its gap up. These are the guys who are going to build out the European Starlink network, which it's not going to be called Starlink, but we say, quote, in quotes, European Starlink. So we'll see what happens with that, folks. Thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure you come by tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. for the morning market kickoff with Tommy O'Brien. If you are in for Larry Pesavento on Friday for live trading, he is still doing it. I confirmed it with him, so we'll see you then. Take care.